everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, and I wanted to hop on here and say hello to everyone in the YARNutopia community. Today I received my knit crate this month. I love knit crate so much. You guys, it's like probably the best subscription that I've ever been part of, and I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing here because I opened it and I was just like, oh my gosh, like literally jaw dropped. Okay, I get a little too excited when yarn comes in the mail, but literally who wouldn't? So I'm gonna open this up. Knit Crate is a monthly yarn subscription to 2 balls of premium delicious yarn, and then you get a cute little extra thing in there. So today I received 2 skeins, oh my goodness, of this beautiful yarn. And this is, the colorway is called Sky. It is a superwash merino wool and a tencel sport weight. Wow. This is really nice. This yarn is exclusive to Knit Crate yarns, and with each package you get 2 skeins of the yarn, and then you get a cute little magazine, and in this little magazine here comes like a bunch of patterns. I think there's 2 crochet patterns for the membership crate. That's what I have. There's 2 knit patterns and 2 crochet patterns for every Knit Crate membership. I have, or the membership crate by Knit Crate. There is an artisan crate and a sock crate, but those are just knitting patterns. But the membership crate has the crochet patterns in there, and that's what I like to crochet. And this month we get an extra little something something. Look at this button. It is a ceramic button, super pretty, and actually it would totally match this yarn. Don't you agree? Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And it says incomparable, it's cursive, incomparable buttons, and it is buttonmad.com. And it's on Etsy. It says, giving employment to women in South Africa, handmade, fully washable buttons. And these are ceramic. This is so pretty. So I can't wait to make something out of this very luscious, very premium yarn and use this button in my project. That's very nice. So thanks to Knit Crate. Make sure to check out, I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can read more about Knit Crate. And for all my YARNutopians, you get a special percentage off when you get Knit Crate using my link. So I'm really excited about that, to share that with you. I also have 2 balls of yarn here, 2 really random balls of yarn. But this one is Red Heart Yarns Chic Sheep yarn. And this is 100% wool. This is just 1 ball of yarn. And this is hopscotch yarn. Sorry, it's like falling apart. This is hopscotch yarn. This one's called Somersault. The color is called Somersault. And we actually filmed 2 tutorials yesterday using 1 ball of yarn each. Okay, so this weekend, YARNutopia World, join my group on Facebook. We're having an event, and it's called One-Skein Weekend. Okay, so during this weekend, 48 hours, it's a virtual event, so you can do this at the comfort of your own home. If you're busy this weekend, going places, going out. I know somebody said that they have a baby shower. Congratulations to that person. Somebody said that their cousins are coming into town and they're going to be visiting. Somebody said they had to go out to dinner. So you can go do your things, but check in every so often throughout the weekend and try to crochet something using 1 skein of yarn. So I will be releasing a pattern on Saturday that you can try to crochet using 1 skein of yarn, or on Sunday I'll be releasing another pattern that you can try for just using 1 skein of yarn. Now, you don't have to make the patterns that I release. There are so many amazing crochet patterns out there that only use 1 skein of yarn. In fact, I actually shared in the event, so make sure you go to YARNutopia World group on Facebook, go to the events tab, join the event this weekend if you are free and available to check in every so often on your phone, mobile device, or on your computer, We'll be doing check-ins and everything, so make sure you join the event. Check out all the posts that I've been posting so far. This is no competition. You can enjoy it from your home or wherever you are. You can attend if you just have one ball of yarn and a crochet hook, really. You get to make whatever you want with just one ball of yarn. And we'll be sharing projects, and we'll have little check-ins and games and things like that. And yeah, you can, I have a little note here that I wanted to clarify some things, because I've been having questions about this. And oh yeah, you don't have to be available all 48 hours. Obviously you need to sleep, but also if you need to run errands, or you have family coming over, or you have events going on too, you can go and do your thing, but then check in even in the evening and post up your projects, and let's see what you're working on this weekend. So like I said, it's all virtual. It ends at 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, so it's from the 22nd to the 23rd. And yeah, I just want to share a one-skein project, because it's so difficult when we have just like random balls of yarn that are just one skein or one color, and we really don't know what to do with them. So I wanted to share inspiration on what you could do with one skein of yarn. And then you can join us and we can make a project together. So I'm really excited to do that. I'll be available all weekend. If you have any questions or want to share things with me, I will be here checking in with everybody. I am going to be working on another project this weekend, so I'll be crocheting with you. So I'm really excited for that. I'll probably go live or like film a video checking in with everybody. I'm so glad. I'm really excited about this event, and YARNutopia world is growing so fast. So thank you to everybody who has joined YARNutopia world group on Facebook. If you haven't already, check the link in the description of this video, wherever it is, and click on that and join my Facebook group. So to recap, subscribe to Knit Crate. It's delicious, yummy yarn that's premium. You get it once a month, and this lovely package comes to your door. And yeah, it's really nice. It's only $24.99, but with my code you get a special discount. So check my blog and get that code and order your Knit Crate memberships. You can cancel it at any time. It's really nice. Also, get one skein of yarn, whichever yarn color you want. I am going to be doing a project, one in this color and then one in this color, and I'll be releasing one project on Saturday and one project on Sunday. And then you don't have to do the projects that I'm doing. So join my event and get all of the information. All of the details are in the description of the event, and you can join in the fun. It's not a competition. You all win by getting a nice crocheted piece at the end that you make. So it's just a fun little event that we're going to do, just to you know, do things as a community and group. And I really enjoy spending time with all of you, and we're gonna have so much fun sharing and laughing. It's kind of like hanging out with your girl and guy friends and just like crocheting together and talking about random things. So I really love that, and my friends and I do that in real life, and so I would like to do this virtually with all of you. So you can just check in throughout the weekend on this weekend for One Skein weekend, and try to make something with one skein of yarn. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about this event, please leave me a comment to this video and let me know, or check out the event itself. I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can join it. And if you have any questions, leave a comment there as well. And I'll see you this weekend for One Skein weekend. Okay, enough saying weekend. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and until next week, happy hooking!